Good morning, students. Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see the same lesson, Unit 1 Prose, learning the game. So here you are seeing the mind map. In this mind map, they are given Sachin joined cricket camp at the age 11 under the coach Ramkant Archrekar. So how many days the camp? 60 days camp, 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. and played 55 matches. Then next, he changes his school to Sardashram where Archrekar works. So in that school only Archrekar worked. So lost intense 50 minutes. Vada pav in the break. Then next one, hard work succeeds at last. He was grateful to his. So the next one, see that from the left side top, Sachin's father and brother took great care for him. Archrekar advised him to practice hard. One day, world will watch him playing. So Sachin faced many difficulties even in the bus. Okay, so the next one. So what are you understanding in this lesson? See the first one, Sachin's favorite player, Sunil Gavaskar, Viv Richards. And next, famous cricket coach, Archrekar. Third one, summer camp at Shivaji Park. The next one, Sachin's house, Bandra. Then Sachin's new school, Sardashram. The next one, Sachin started playing at the age of 11. Then Sachin summer session 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Ajit gave Sachin about the nonsense of batting. Then in break, Archrekar gave money to buy vada pav. The next one, Sachin had to take another cricket for kickback. So here, the third picture, this picture is New English School from Mumbai where Sachin studied in earlier. The next picture, Sardashram School where Sachin studied later and when he got opportunity to practice the cricket. So this is the famous school. The next one, vada pav. So Archrekar gave money to buy this to Sachin, isn't it? So this is one of the famous snacks items in Mumbai. Tea with vada pav is a good combination for snacks, isn't it? See the next picture. This is also vada pav picture. So in this picture, you are seeing kit bag, isn't it? Sachin had a kit bag. So in this bag, bat, ball, gloves, stump and other things for play. So for this bag only, Sachin had to buy ticket in the bus. So see the next one. The picture of Ramkant Archrekar with Sachin in Shivaji Park. Next one. These are the pictures of awards, whatever he achieved from the Prime Minister and other politicians. This picture is you are seeing. So the next one, the list of awards. So in 1994, Arjuna Award. In 1997, Tendulkar was one of the 5 cricketers selected as Widen Cricketer of the Year. In 1997-98, India's highest sporting honor, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. In 1999, Padma Shri Award. 2001, Maharashtra Bhushan Award. 2008, Padma Vibhushan. 2010, ICC Cricketer of the Year. And 2010, LG People's Choice Award. 2014, Bharat Ratna. And 2020, Laurus World Sports Awards. So, this is the short summary of this lesson. At the age of 11, Sachin was introduced to the coach Archekar. He joined summer camp 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. As he had only one set jersey, always played with wet pockets. He changed his school to Sardashram, where Archekar works. His father and brother took great care. Sometimes he had to buy ticket for his kid bag. When Sachin didn't attend the camp, Archekar dragged him out and advised to play well as the whole world come to watch him playing. It came true. Action speaks louder than words. So, okay, students. So, unit prose completed. In your book, they have given some vocabulary exercise. So, that is homonyms. So, here I have given the list of the differences a change to a single letter can make. So, list of words I have given: advice, advice, affect, effect, capital, capital, side, side. So, you have to note it in all these words from your note. Okay, students. So, you copy that mind map and understanding and the list of words. And also, you have to write this homonym sound. See that? Accept, accept, or, our, past, past, proceed, proceed, principle, principle, right, right, sense, since, sight, sight, through, throw, weather, weather. So you have to write all these words. And the next one also, new letter. Know the difference that a single new letter can make. Okay, so you also write these words in your note. And the next one, the difference. See that? To. Use to as a preposition. Jonathan drove to the seafood shop. Use to begin an infinitive. So wherever we are using to, they are given the examples. Use to show degree. The squid was too expensive to purchase. Use to as a synonym for also. So, to was the fresh octopus. Use to when you mean the number. So, the next list also there, there, they are. So, this is the vocabulary exercise I have listed apart from your book exercise. Okay, so after you get your book, you can find out some other exercise from your book. Now, this session is over. So, students, you keep in your mind, you read all the mind map and everything, and whatever you have seen in this link, you write it in your note. Okay, so I will send the homework evening. Okay, students. Thank you, students.